Hello trekking riders, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to see the Cycle Waterproof Handlebar Bag. This is a roll down type adjustable handlebar bag. This comes with a seam sealed inner lining for absolute waterproofing. Let us now see how to attach this to a cycle. It comes with two Velcro straps so that we can attach it to the handlebar. This bag has an adjustable capacity of 6 to 9 liters. This bag also comes with 4 soft spacer blocks so that the bag won't disturb the cables on the cycle. The spacer blocks also come with 2 Velcro straps so that we can firmly attach it to the steering column. Depending on the geometry and cables of your cycle, you can put the desired number of spacer blocks for a perfect fit. This bag is a perfect fit for hybrid, MTB as well as road bikes. This bag is ideal for long trips or brevet events. This bag also comes with a reflective strip for nighttime visibility. Thank you for watching. Ride hard and ride safe. See you all in the next segment with an amazing product.